There's nothing quite like a plate of pasta made with fresh, homegrown vegetables. The vibrant colors, the crisp textures, and the rich flavors all come together to create something truly special. When you grow your own vegetables, you know exactly what goes into them, and you can taste the difference in every bite. It's a celebration of flavors, straight from the garden to your table. The journey from seed to plate is a rewarding one, filled with anticipation and joy. Each step, from planting to harvesting, adds a layer of love and care to your meal. Imagine the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes bursting with juiciness and a hint of sweetness that only comes from being nurtured by the sun. These tomatoes are the heart of our dish, providing a robust base that elevates the entire meal. The crispness of fresh basil, with its aromatic leaves that add a touch of freshness and a burst of flavor. Basil is more than just a garnish. It's a key ingredient that brings a unique zest to our pasta. And the sweetness of just picked zucchini. This versatile vegetable adds a delightful crunch and a subtle sweetness that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Zucchini is a summer staple, and its presence in our dish is a testament to the season's bounty. That's the magic we're going to create today. By combining these fresh, homegrown ingredients, we're not just making a meal, we're crafting an experience that celebrates the essence of summer. This recipe for angel hair pasta with garden vegetables is a true delight. The delicate strands of pasta are the perfect canvas for our vibrant vegetables, allowing each flavor to shine through. It's simple, fresh, and bursting with the goodness of nature. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity, where each ingredient plays a starring role, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. We're going to use the finest ingredients from our gardens to create a dish that is as delicious as it is healthy. Fresh produce not only tastes better, but is also packed with nutrients, making our pasta both a treat for the taste buds and a boost for our health. So, roll up your sleeves, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. The process of preparing this meal is as enjoyable as eating it. Washing, chopping, and cooking the vegetables is a meditative experience that connects us to the food we eat. This is a culinary journey you won't want to miss. From the first chop to the final plating, every moment is an opportunity to appreciate the beauty of fresh homegrown ingredients. Get ready to savor the true taste of summer in every single bite. Each forkful of pasta is a reminder of the season's gifts, a celebration of nature's bounty, and a testament to the joy of cooking with fresh homegrown ingredients. There's something truly special about cooking with ingredients you've grown yourself. It's like they taste better, fresher, more alive. The flavors are vibrant, the textures are perfect, and you can really taste the love and care that went into growing them. When you grow your own vegetables, you know exactly what's gone into them. No pesticides, no harmful chemicals, just pure natural goodness. Plus, it's a fantastic way to get the whole family involved in the kitchen. Imagine the kids' faces lighting up as they pick their own vegetables for dinner. It's a wonderful way to teach them about where their food comes from and to appreciate the value of homegrown produce. Now, let's talk ingredients. For this recipe, we'll need a selection of fresh, vibrant vegetables. Head out to your garden and gather the following angel hair pasta, about a handful per person, ripe tomatoes, bursting with flavor, tender zucchini, ready to be grilled, fresh basil, fragrant and aromatic, garlic, a couple of cloves for depth, olive oil, extra virgin for that beautiful fruity taste, salt and pepper to season to perfection. These simple, fresh ingredients are the key to creating a dish that is both delicious and nutritious. First things first, let's get that pasta cooking. Cooking pasta is an art, and it all starts with the basics. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. The salt is crucial as it enhances the flavor of the pasta, making it taste better. This is important for seasoning the pasta and ensuring it cooks evenly. Without enough salt, the pasta can taste bland, no matter how good your sauce is. Carefully add the angel hair pasta to the boiling water and give it a gentle stir to prevent it from sticking together. Angel hair pasta is delicate, so handle it with care. Angel hair pasta cooks quickly, so keep a close eye on it. It usually takes about 2 to 4 minutes to cook, depending on the brand and thickness. We want it al dente, which means to the tooth in Italian. This means the pasta should be firm when bitten, not too soft or mushy. It should have a slight bite to it, not be mushy. This texture is perfect for holding onto the sauce and providing a satisfying mouthfeel. While the pasta is cooking, we can start preparing our delicious vegetable sauce. Fresh vegetables add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your pasta dish. It's all about timing, folks. You want your pasta and sauce to be ready at the same time so that everything is hot and fresh. We want everything to be ready at the same time. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it quickly and toss it with the sauce immediately to prevent it from sticking together. Serve it hot and enjoy your perfect pasta dish. Don't forget to garnish your pasta with some fresh herbs like basil or parsley. It adds a pop of color and an extra layer of flavor. A sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese can also elevate your dish to the next level. The cheese melts beautifully over the hot pasta, creating a creamy, delicious finish. Finally, serve your pasta to your guests and watch their faces light up with joy. There's nothing quite like a well-prepared pasta dish to bring people together. Remember, the key to perfect pasta is in the details. From the salt in the water to the timing of the sauce, every step matters. Happy cooking! Section 5, the art of the sauce. This is where the magic happens, where simple ingredients transform into something extraordinary. Now for the star of the show, the sauce. A good sauce can elevate any dish, turning a simple meal into a culinary masterpiece. This is where those fresh garden flavors really come to life. Imagine the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes, picked at the peak of their flavor. Grab a large pan and warm it over a medium heat. The right temperature is crucial to bring out the best in your ingredients. Add a drizzle of olive oil, that beautiful golden nectar. Olive oil is the foundation of many great sauces, providing a rich, smooth base. Crush those garlic cloves and let them sizzle gently in the warm oil. Garlic adds a depth of flavor that is both aromatic and savory. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making your tummy rumble in anticipation. There's nothing quite like the smell of garlic cooking in olive oil. Next, chop those ripe tomatoes into chunks and toss them into the pan. Fresh tomatoes are key to a vibrant, flavorful sauce. Let them soften and release their juices, creating a beautiful, rich base for our sauce. The tomatoes will break down and meld with the garlic and oil. Now slice those tender zucchini into thin ribbons. Zucchini adds a lovely texture and a hint of sweetness to the sauce. We want them to cook quickly and retain their lovely, fresh flavor. Overcooking zucchini can make it mushy, so keep an eye on it. Add the zucchini to the pan and let it all simmer together, the flavors mingling and dancing. The key to a great sauce is patience. Let it cook slowly to allow the flavors to develop fully. Don't forget to add some fresh basil. Tear the leaves gently to release their fragrant oils. Basil adds a fresh herbal note that complements the tomatoes perfectly. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. Taste the sauce as it cooks, adjusting the seasoning as needed. A great chef always tastes their food to ensure it's just right. Finally, pour the sauce over your favorite pasta and toss to coat. The sauce should cling to the pasta, enveloping each strand in its rich, flavorful embrace. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs and a drizzle of olive oil. And there you have it. A simple yet delicious pasta dish that showcases the art of the sauce. Serve immediately and enjoy the fruits of your labor. There's nothing more satisfying than a homemade sauce made with love and care. Share this meal with family and friends and watch as they savor each bite. Good food brings people together, creating memories that last a lifetime. The art of the sauce is more than just cooking. It's about creating something special that brings joy to those who taste it. So take your time, enjoy the process, and let your sauce be a reflection of your passion for good food. By now, your kitchen should be filled with the most amazing aromas. The pasta should be perfectly al dente and the sauce should be bubbling away nicely. Time to bring it all together. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the cooked angel hair pasta directly from the pot into the pan with the sauce. This will help the pasta absorb all those lovely flavors. Toss everything together gently, coating the pasta evenly in the sauce. Sprinkle in those freshly chopped basil leaves. The heat from the pasta will wilt them slightly, releasing their fragrant oils. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, tasting is key to getting those flavors just right. And there you have it, a plate of pure sunshine. Serve your angel hair pasta with garden vegetables immediately while it's still hot and vibrant. The colors alone are enough to make your mouth water. The bright red of the tomatoes, the vibrant green of the zucchini and basil, and the delicate white of the pasta. Take a moment to appreciate the flavors. The sweetness of the tomatoes, the slight bitterness of the zucchini, the fragrant basil, and the gentle heat of the garlic, all brought together beautifully with the olive oil and seasoning. This is a dish that celebrates the simplicity of fresh seasonal ingredients. It's light, healthy, and bursting with flavor, a true taste of summer on a plate. Food always tastes better when shared with loved ones. Gather your family and friends around the table and enjoy the fruits of your labor. This dish is a testament to the joy of cooking with fresh, homegrown ingredients. Encourage everyone to savor each bite, to appreciate the flavors and textures, and to celebrate the bounty of the garden. Food has a way of bringing people together, and this dish is sure to spark conversations and create lasting memories. This is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's about connecting with nature, appreciating the simple things in life, and sharing the joy of good food with the people you love. So there you have it, straight from our garden to yours. We encourage you to give this recipe a try and experience the magic of cooking with fresh, homegrown vegetables. It's a simple dish that celebrates the flavors of summer, but most importantly, it's a dish made with love. Let us know how it turns out. Share your culinary creations with us, and let's inspire each other to cook more delicious, healthy meals with the bounty from our gardens. Happy cooking!